Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the premium Boxycharm box for the month of August. Cannot believe the summer's almost over, but we're going to jump into a full unboxing, talk about each and every item inside, some mini reviews, and then we'll talk about the products I'll be demoing in this video and the products I'll be demoing in another one. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. If you want to jump into the Dusk Till Dawn Boxycharm for the month of August, stay tuned. All right, so I know the last time I did a video, I said I'm going to be much better at posting, and I did okay, and then I'll be honest, I got COVID, and it sucked, and I'm finally over the hump for that. I'm still mainlining cough drops because the cough will not stop, but I am no longer testing positive, which is fantastic, which means I feel comfortable coming back into my studio. The last thing I wanted to do while I was sick was contaminate anything in this room, so I refused to step foot in here until I was 100% better. And other than the little bit of a cough that's going on, I am better. So today we're going to jump into the premium box for August, and let's jump right in. Now, a couple things I do want to say first and foremost. This is sent to me for reviewing purposes, but this is 100% not sponsored. The opinions are all my own. The products I love are going to be authentically what I love. The products I don't like, 100% truthful. Additionally, when I look at whether or not this box is worth it, in my opinion, I do it through the lens of would I be better off taking the $39 or $40 that this box is and going to Ulta, Sephora, Target, Walmart, wherever you buy your beauty products, Amazon, and would I be better off taking 40 bucks and going shopping or getting the box? And if I can get more than $40 of value out of this box, then it's usually a winner box for me. So as I said in the intro, the theme is Boxycharm Dusk Till Dawn. This is going to be variation 210, which means tons of variations here. The first product is an eyeshadow palette from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the signature palette in the Symphony. Give them the pitch perfect eye looks with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers, featuring and inspired by Ofra's Blissful highlighter. These harmonious shades never miss a beat in the easy to carry compact with a mirror. Now, I love Ofra shadows. I have been using them for years. Most of my freelance kit is Ofra shadows nowadays. And this palette is absolutely stunning. Now, I'm not going to be trying this today, but it is the Ofra signature formula, which means I already know that it's going to be a great formula, but I am going to put it to the test in a whole video where I'm just trying a bunch of subscription box makeup all at once. Now, again, this retails for $34. I'm a huge fan of the formula. I actually got a really big box from Ofra recently. They did some collaborations with Hot Mess Mama MD, Rhonda, with Glam with Suzanne, and some other creators. Really excited, and I'll be doing a full video on that collection as well. But we will be trying this in an upcoming video, but I can already tell you the colors are beautiful, and I love the Ofra formula. Next up from Kat Berkey, this is the Nutrient C Eye Cream. A rich, nourishing eye cream with vitamin C, specifically designed for the delicate eye area. This instant reviver is made with a combination of radiance enhancers, Stay C, which is a stable form of vitamin C, to brighten the eye area, grapeseed and evening primrose oils to deliver antioxidant protection, and vitamin E and caffeine to nourish and depuff. Kat's proprietary nutrient-dense KB5 complex is rich in antioxidants and is added to defend against environmental damage. Off of a quick look, I'm not seeing any ingredients that are big red flags for me, so I'm excited to give this a try. It does retail for $90. Now, I will say I don't like opening a new eye cream until I'm done with my most recent one, because you'll see on the box, 12 months after you open this, it will expire and you can no longer use it effectively or safely. So I will be holding off until I finish my current eye cream to open up this one. Next up, we have the Melloway Your Way Mascara, retailing for $22, and there's a little image of it on the back. An award-winning volumizing mascara featuring a patent adjustable brush and a lash feeding formula infused with keratin amino acids, argan oil, and red algae extract. Long-lasting and smudge-proof, deeply pigmented super black formula luxuriously coats lashes for maximum drama, while the patented Helix brush perfectly separates and fans out your lashes for false-like look. I'll be trying this with the Ofra mascara, but I am going to take a quick peek at it here. I have been really enjoying mascaras lately and trying a bunch of new ones. So it is a pretty standard brush, but it does say that you can bend the brush so you can really get in big. So depending on the shape of a brush you like, you have some options, which is kind of cool. Next, from the brand Playa. This is probably the product when I opened the box I was most excited to try. This is the Manoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner, retailing for $24. An ultra-light yet deep conditioning treatment formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, or environmentally damaged hair. Tahitian Manoy oil penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz and healing damage. Coconut milk deeply conditions, promotes strength and shine, plus softness. Used on wet or dry hair, it will detangle and seal the hair cuticle to lock in moisture, restore luster, and diminish frizz. Now, my hair is color treated. You can't really see, but there's a ton of blonde in there. Right now, there's more gel in there than anything else, and that's kind of making it look a little bit darker. But my hair is very dry, given the fact that I live in Colorado. My curls are not happy with me. I chemically treat my hair for color, and I'm really excited to try a deep conditioner because I definitely need the help. Next, from Complex Culture, this is the Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick. Plump your pout with this buildable, silky cream color, infused with natural nourishers. A moisture mix of botanical waxes, plant extracts, and peptides for lush color that lasts, retailing for $24. Now, Complex Culture is Ipsy's brand. So while I'm excited to give this a try, it's one of those products where I really enjoy the formulas from this brand because Ipsy's not going to put their name on something that's not good. The color is a very pretty neutral pink. I actually typically keep Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in front of me because every time I see this kind of a pink, I always want to compare. So it does look like this one is very similar. There's a little bit more of like a purple base in Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This one's a little bit lighter and a little bit of a peachier pink, but they're both going to be that universally flattering, air quotes, universally flattering nudes. So I will probably be testing that at the same time I test the Ofra palette, because that's the kind of lip when it has a little more peachiness that goes really well with mauves. And lastly, from Tresluce Beauty, this is the Forever Brilliant Metallic Liquid Shadow, retailing for $16. Stand out like a precious gem you are with this stunning metallic liquid shadow. It is waterproof, smudge-proof, high pigment, applies like a liquid and sets like a powder. It glides on in seconds and dries down flawlessly. Dab on your eyelid and layer with different shades for a pop of color that will leave you looking forever brilliant. This is in the shade Aquamarine, which is going to be a beautiful blue, I can tell you that now. Yeah, that is a really pretty color. I think the challenge for me with a box like this is I always want to take the box and do a whole look out of the box, but not really things I would pair together. This color is beautiful, really nice inner corner highlight. I love a mint green or like a bright blue, but I don't think with the mauvies that this is going to be the right color. Like this color might work, but I would want something a little bit peachier to go against the blue. So while I will say I don't think that this box has a full cohesive look you can get out of it, I don't like the palette with the cream shadow, and I don't think the color of those with the lip all work well together. But that being said, product by product, I do think I like what it had to offer. All in, this box had a retail value of $210, which definitely worth the value of the $40 box. And while, like I said, individually I think the products are great, I don't think they come together to tell a great story, but I think you could really play around with a lot of the products in the box. I think it's a nice blend of hair, skincare, makeup. So all in, I will say this was a win for me. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Sound off in the comments. Do you think this box was worth it or not? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.